Let's go through how to coach our clients through an open book stretch with a focus on core control and pelvic floor relaxation. This is a fantastic movement to improve thoracic mobility, relieve upper back tension, and encourage proper breathing. Especially helpful for postpartum recovery, desk workers, or anyone with a tight spine. First, we're going to get our client into position. They're going to lie on their side with their knees bent at about 90 degrees and stacked on top of each other. They're going to extend their arms straight in front of them, palms together. They're going to rest their head on the floor or a pillow for support. They're going to keep their hips and knees stacked. This ensures the rotation stays in the upper back, not in the lower back. Now, keeping the core engaged and breath controlled, we're going to move into the stretch. As your client inhales, they're going to reach the top arm up and over, opening the chest toward the ceiling. They're going to allow their gaze to follow the hand, keeping the lower body still. On the exhale, as they hold the stretch, they're going to feel a gentle twist through the mid-back, but keeping the hips steady. On the inhale, they're going to return the arm back to the start position, keeping the movement smooth and controlled. Remember, we're going to pair the pelvic floor contraction with the exhale and the pelvic floor relaxation with the inhale. We can repeat for 6 to 10 reps per side or whatever you've programmed for them in their mesocycle.